Hi, I'm Dr. Dharinder Tayal, Director of Innovus Institute of Clinical Research. We got a lot of inquiries from BDS graduates about the field of clinical research and pharmacovigilance. So we thought let's do a video and explain what is the scope of clinical research and pharmacovigilance, whether BDS graduates should be getting in and how should they be getting in. Let's first understand what is clinical research. The testing of any new drug or vaccine in human subjects for testing for their safety and for their effectiveness is the field of clinical research. This has 4 phases. In phase 1, we try the drug on healthy individuals to see is it safe. In phase 2 and 3, we try the drug on patients, first a few patients, then on a larger sample size to ensure that it is effective. If it is effective, we submit to the government, we get the approval to market the drug, and we start marketing the drug. Is it over? No. There is a phase 4. Phase 4 is called post-marketing surveillance or pharmacovigilance. So surveillance and vigilance more or less mean the same thing, which means that now that the drug has gone to millions of people possibly, and over a period of time, there could be some serious adverse events or side effects. So if there are any serious side effects, we need to process them through pharmacovigilance and submit it back to the regulatory bodies. This of course becomes a huge opportunity for us. For example, let me talk about pharmacovigilance first. There are any number of companies of pharmacovigilance in India today. For example, we are based in Chandigarh. In Chandigarh itself, there are extremely large multinationals that are here, which are export oriented, which means the work for them comes from all over the world. In fact, some of them are looking at hiring 500 people this year, they're talking about. Now that is huge. Where are they going to find them? That is you and me. So people like us who have to take advantage of this opportunity. Excellent salaries in clinical research and pharmacovigilance. You can say almost 4 times what a starting BDS would get. Why India? India, because of our large population, unfortunately being the disease capital of the world. So if I need to do a trial in India, I can do it quickly. Whatever sample size I need, I'll get it. And in addition to that, the entire health chain of India speaks English. So the trial can be done quickly, it can be done cheaply, which is what is required. And so hence the trials, the pharmacovigilance from all over the world is coming to India. There's a huge boom in this field where people are required. Are we ready to take it up? The question is, how do we get ready? We can do a course. And where? Well, welcome to Innovus Institute of Clinical Research. You can do a 6-month diploma, you can do a 1-year advanced diploma, you can do an MSc, and it is completely flexible. You can do it over the weekdays, you can do it over the weekends, you can do it while working so that you don't lose out on your money and experience. You can do it physically, and the same physical class you can attend even virtually, or you can sometimes attend physically, sometimes virtually. So it is completely open and flexible. Even interns can do the courses, so that when you graduate, you are ready to get into the field. There is no period of frustration. Also, when we go abroad, some of us who are looking at going abroad, till we clear the dentistry exam, our qualification becomes +2, which is very frustrating. But if we are going with clinical research qualifications, which is on the skill shortage list of Canada, we can work at the master's level, because here we are not directly dealing with the patient. Hence, there is no issue of clearing the exams, which becomes a huge boon for us. BDS are the most preferred in this field simply because there is an example. For example, the company called Perexel, a multinational. For their pharmacovigilance, they will hire a BDS, but for every other qualification, they will need a master's level. So you are the best people they are looking for. They're looking for you. Are we ready to take it up? Of course, pharmacovigilance is not the only field. We can be in clinical research operations, which means we are working at a large hospital with a senior doctor who's a principal investigator actually doing the trials of the drugs. We can be in medical writing where we are documenting the things, which also is a brilliant field because down the line one can even freelance and work from home. Similarly, data management. So there are several avenues within the field of clinical research and pharmacovigilance. The opportunity is now post-corona. Corona has been exceptionally good for clinical research and pharmacovigilance. And in this opportunity, it is time for us to take advantage. Let us step forward, get in touch with us. We will tell you more. We will tell you how you can make a brilliant career like hundreds of students who have graduated from Innovus in the past have done. Look forward to seeing you. Get in touch. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.